Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix Bybit application not working problem. So let's jump to the process. First, you need to make sure that your Bybit application is updated. For this, open your App Store for an iPhone. For an Android, open your Google Play Store. Now here, tap on the search icon present at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar present at the top. Then search Bybit. Now here you can see Bybit, buy Bitcoin and crypto option. Tap on it. Now if you haven't updated your Bybit application, you will be able to find update option instead of open. Simply tap on update option and wait for a few seconds till your application gets updated. Once it's done, you can tap on open option and look whether the problem has been fixed or not. If not, then open your settings on your mobile phone. Now know that the settings on your mobile phone differs according to the mobile phone that you are using. I am using Redmi. Now look for apps and tap on it. Then tap on manage apps. Now look for Bybit application. Then tap on it. Now here you can see clear data option present at the bottom right. Tap on clear data. Then tap on clear all data. After this, tap on OK. With this, you'll be able to clear all the data related to Bybit. Now once open your Bybit application, if it is still not working, then you can go back to the settings and then tap on force stop option. Similarly, once check your network connection as well. And this is how we can fix Bybit application not working problem. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.